Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. Today I'm going to pick a winner of these beautiful 3 skeins of yarn. Seeing this color just makes me want to make a summer wrap or a summer poncho or something. I love that coral color. So thank you for everyone who commented. I did make a huge list of projects that I need to do in the next 4 months, and they are flowers, shawls. On the flowers, I have a ton of just individual patterns, but I also have beautiful granny square patterns that involve flowers. Shawls, I have like one in particular that I really need to do. Bags, I have a whole book on bags. Sunflower bags too. A lot of people said that. You got that, girls, ladies, friends. Summer tops are essential. I love tunics and like crochet tunics. I found the mother lode of cute patterns, so I need new tops, so I will be making those also. Swimsuit wraps, definitely. Baskets, I found a really cute tutorial on summer baskets and just baskets, cute things in general. And also curtains was an interesting one. I have to find patterns for that one. The bunny, the amigurumi bunny is almost done for Easter. I will also be making little cute Easter eggs. They're so adorable. So that's all the stuff that I have on the horizon. Not much. No stress. But okay, let's pick a winner. Thank you, everyone. I will ask everyone, I like asking you guys that, what you want to see, because you are my audience and I'm trying to build a community. So here is the link. This is the comment picker right here. Filter duplicate users. Let's get the comments. I also love talking with everyone. I consider, we're all friends here. So here is unique comments, 456. Wow, that number just keeps getting bigger. So let's start this. Good luck, everyone. The winner is Karen Young. I've seen your name several times. Congratulations, girlfriend. You are the winner of these 3 beautiful skeins of yarn. She would love to make a shawl for her mom. Thanks for the giveaway. Karen, sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. I will be reaching out to you. You can also please leave a comment down below, and I will get in touch with you. So thank you so much for entering. Thank you everyone for commenting. There will be more fabulous giveaways and tutorials coming soon. So I hope everyone's doing well. Congratulations, Karen Young. Reach out to me. I will reach out to you, and everyone else. Have a wonderful day.